I am happy. I am happy. I was happy. I was happy. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. She was a teacher. She was a teacher. He is at home. He is at home. He was at home. He was at home. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. The cat was sleeping. The cat was sleeping. It is raining. It is raining. It was raining. It was raining. We are at school. We are at school. We were at school. We were at school. They are my friends. They are my friends. They were my friends. They were my friends. You are right. You are right. You were right. You were right. The children are playing. The children are playing. The children were playing. The children were playing. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. The book was interesting. The book was interesting. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking. My mother was cooking. My mother was cooking. The weather is cold. The weather is cold. The weather was cold. The weather was cold. We are late for class. We are late for class. We were late for class. We were late for class. They are watching TV. They are watching TV. They were watching TV. They were watching TV. You are sleeping. You are sleeping. You were sleeping. You were sleeping. The movie is boring. The movie is boring. The movie was boring. The movie was boring. John is sick. John is sick. John was sick. John was sick. The students are studying. The students are studying. The students were studying. The students were studying. We are eating dinner. We are eating dinner. We were eating dinner. We were eating dinner. The door is open. The door is open. The door was open. The door was open. They are happy together. They are happy together. They were happy together. They were happy together. You are working hard. You are working hard. You were working hard. You were working hard. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The birds were singing. The birds were singing. She is wearing a red dress. She is wearing a red dress. She was wearing a red dress. She was wearing a red dress. We are walking in the park. We are walking in the park. We were walking in the park. We were walking in the park. The car is expensive. The car is expensive. The car was expensive. The car was expensive. They are talking loudly. They are talking loudly. They were talking loudly. They were talking loudly. I am tired after work. I am tired after work. I was tired after work. I was tired after work. You are helping me. You are helping me. You were helping me. You were helping me. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. The baby was crying. The baby was crying. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers were beautiful. The flowers were beautiful. The store is closed. The store is closed. The store was closed. The store was closed. We are shopping today. We are shopping today. We were shopping yesterday. We were shopping yesterday. He is playing football. He is playing football. He was playing football. He was playing football. They are dancing at the party. They are dancing at the party. They were dancing at the party. They were dancing at the party. The music is loud. The music is loud. The music was loud. The music was loud. You are driving fast. You are driving fast. You were driving fast. You were driving fast. The test is difficult. The test is difficult. The test was difficult. The test was difficult. The lights are bright. The lights are bright. The lights were bright. The lights were bright. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. She was reading a book. She was reading a book. We are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus. We were waiting for the bus. We were waiting for the bus. The room is dark. The room is dark. The room was dark. The room was dark. They are laughing at the joke. They are laughing at the joke. They were laughing at the joke. They were laughing at the joke. I am studying English. I am studying English. I was studying English. I was studying English. You are writing a letter. You are writing a letter. You were writing a letter. You were writing a letter. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. The dog was barking. The dog was barking. The streets are busy. The streets are busy. The streets were busy. The streets were busy.